welcome to today's vlog. I'm taking you to Mexico. We made a quick stop in Mexico City and then we went to Huatulco. This magical beach is barely gaining some popularity. So if you're ready to see this beauty, let's get started. Everything started fine and dandy, and then we're running so late for our flight. So we missed our flight, but of course we made the best of it. So hey guys, so we made a quick stop in Mexico City and we definitely had to come to the Basilic of the Virgin of Guadalupe. It's absolutely beautiful here, from the garden, the church, and everything they have here. So I'm gonna definitely show you around some of the cutest spots in here. We're right in front of the two main churches they have here. To my left over here, it's the original one. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's actually sinking in. And that's the reason they had to build another one on this side. And this is the new church that you can actually walk into and go to mass, and they hold all of their daily events. I think this one, I came a few years ago and you could still walk in and you could definitely feel the tilt. I'm gonna see if we can get in there just so you can see how much it's sinking and tilting. Try my hardest to change the things that can't stay the same. We're both aware I'm a pain, but you love me anyway. Hey pretties, it's the next morning and we came to Coyoacan. I'm having a really hard time pronouncing it. And then you can also tell that I'm wearing the same stuff because in Mexico City it's a little bit colder and we were not prepared to come to Mexico City, so I was like, I'm just gonna stay with this because it's a warmer clothes. And then our flight leaves at 4 p.m. today and then I can change into my beach clothes. But the reason we came here is because they have the Frida Kahlo Museum here, which I was very excited to go see, but when we went there all the tickets were sold out. I didn't think it would be that busy since it's a Thursday, but apparently you have to buy them like 2 or 3 days in advance. So there you go, and at least we got to take some pictures on the outside, and we also got some cute little souvenirs. We came to eat at this market. I've noticed about Mexico is that there's churches everywhere, and that's kind of like where the town starts. So if you want to find the center of our town, just ask for the local church, and that's kind of like where the whole town starts. So it's so cute. A lot of them are no longer operating, like this one behind me. It was just I don't know if it's for safety reasons or what exactly happened, if they built another one. This one's no longer working, but they do try to keep the building up. Super cute.
Bluetooth, and you know I love everything you gon' say. You know your body look great on the run.
We are back in the Mexico City airport for the second time. This time, hopefully, we actually make it to our Huatulco flight. We got here with plenty of time. We didn't want to risk it again. But first, we're gonna go grab something quickly to eat, and then we'll go to our room. Buenos días! We made it to Huatulco! After a big adventure, losing our flight and all the chaos, I'm so happy that we finally made it to Huatulco. We just woke up, got ready, and we're about to go have breakfast, but I didn't want to go without first showing you this beautiful view we have out here.
I don't want to miss out, I don't want to lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
So the main reason we came to Huatulco is for a very special project. It's definitely still in progress, but I'm so excited we officially kicked it off. So we came to Huatulco for the very first time 2 years ago, and we fell in love with it. And we immediately knew that we wanted to make Huatulco a part of our life. So we decided to take a part of this beautiful project and bring life and beauty back to these condos in one of our favorites part of the world. And I'm so excited that I get to share this transformation with y'all. Needless to say, this is going to be an extreme transformation. These homes have lacked love and care for so long. Huatulco is such a beautiful and magical town. These homes definitely deserve so much love. I'm so glad I got to take these clips of how bad it's starting. I know this is going to be an extreme makeover, but they're gonna be so beautiful. That first day, we spent it working pretty much all day long, so after that, we just went to eat some delicious food.
Hey, got me running around in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get
Guys, so today we came to the beach. We came to our favorite one. It's called La Entrega. So we're probably just gonna get something to eat, relax by the beach, and just get, we might get in the water. Do you think we're gonna get in the water?
I'm getting in the water, yeah.
I brought my bathing suit in Edward's backpack, so let's go see.
before? All I'm saying is I'm with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
Last time we were here, we actually got here through a little boat. We had a little boat pick us up on the other side of the beach and then bring us here. We didn't know that there was car access, but I mean, both experiences were super cool, especially the one whenever we came through the little boat. They just dropped us off here and then told us you can spend a few hours here, eat, relax, and then we'll pick you back up. So you have two options. You can get here to La Entrega by car or by boat.
I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid.
Got our food. I got cocktail de camarón, and then Ever got this delicious pineapple. What does it have?
Nothing but shrimp.
Huh?
It's delicious.
And then we have my mother-in-law got, what is it?
Ceviche.
Ceviche. And then
I
here,
got a Victoria.
yeah.
Mine.
All right, I'm gonna enjoy this food. We came to Sinkalunga.
Something like that. You got it.
The waves are huge. We can't get in the water, but it's so beautiful in here. Last time we actually did get in here, and I like rolled, and we all rolled in the.
I had to rescue your mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, she couldn't get out of the waves because they were just keeping her in. But
Yeah. Look how big they are. Thought that this is where we got a massage last time, so that's the main reason we came to this beach, but I don't think nobody's here anymore. So now we're looking for a spa. Hey Pretties, we woke up and the first thing we want to do is come get some coffee. So we're gonna do that, then we're gonna go grab some breakfast, and then we have to go get our COVID test because it is a requirement to go back to the States, and we wanna make sure we have enough time to get our results. See you soon. Probably got to see my hilarious faces getting poked in the nose for the COVID test, but we got that over with. I'm so glad, so that we can go back. And now we came to grab something to eat for breakfast. We've been to this restaurant a couple of times, not on this trip, but last time we were here, and we love it. The food is so good, and then we also we're on the second story, so we get a little view of everything. Pretty crazy because it's so hot. Like I was dripping while we were walking, but up here it's open air, yet I feel really cool. It doesn't feel hot or anything. All they have is a little roof over our heads and then also some fans, and that's perfect. So let's see what I'm gonna get to eat, and I'll be right back. Last day, and we decided to visit a new beach that was recommended to us called Chahue, but it definitely became my new favorite beach in Huatulco. And then after a long day at the beach, we decided to go get some ice cream.
But it seems I'm just out of luck.
To top off our last night, we went to a Temazcal spa. Temazcal is basically the sauna version of the indigenous. They use special herbs that are supposed to help remove toxins from the body, and they also perform a special ceremony, so it has a spiritual healing aspect to it as well. This time I decided to just get an ordinary massage, but maybe next time I'll have to try the Temazcal. After our massage, we decided to go get some delicious margaritas. And that was it. After that, it was time for us to go back home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I really enjoyed bringing you along, and I can't wait to be back in Huatulco. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!